everyone, want to boost your detox game with delicious and easy recipes? Today I'm sharing 2 amazing detox salads and a refreshing detox water that are perfect for enhancing your body's natural cleansing processes. First up, we have the cleansing cucumber mint water. This simple drink combines cucumber, mint, and lemon to hydrate and detoxify. The cucumber adds hydration and antioxidants, the mint to aid in our digestion, and the lemon supports liver function. Perfect for sipping throughout the day. Next, our avocado arugula salad is packed with healthy fat, vitamins, and minerals. The arugula is rich in chlorophyll, which helps to detoxify the liver, while the avocado provides nourishing fats that support overall health. And finally, the detoxifying broccoli salad is loaded with broccoli, red onion, sunflower seeds, and dried cranberries. Broccoli is a powerhouse of detox nutrients, and the lemon garlic vinaigrette ties it all together with a zesty kick. Check out the full video and get my free detox ebook by clicking on the link in the description. Happy detoxing and stay resilient.